Hi guys, welcome back to CALLY's kitchen. Today I'll take you in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how I made my fluffy fried dumplings. Don't forget guys to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend to come over and subscribe to CALLY's kitchen. Also guys, remember all of my recipes are listed in the description box. Go ahead and try them out. Let me know what you think. Also, you can follow me on Facebook, CALLY's kitchen. The link for my Facebook page will be in the description box. Go ahead and follow me over on Facebook. Also guys, I just want to say thank you for all of the support. Thank you for all of the love that you have shown me. I really appreciate it. Continue to subscribe to my channel, continue to like, comment, and just tell a friend about CALLY's kitchen. So here I have guys some flour, and this is counter flour that I'm going to use. I also have salt, and I have baking powder, and I also have water. Now guys, for this recipe I am using 1 cup of counter flour. So what I did, I just go ahead and add some salt. Now I'm just gonna go in and add some baking powder. And guys, please note for this recipe I'm not using any butter. I'm not using any milk. I'm just using the flour, the baking powder, the salt, and the water. So I'm just gonna go ahead now, use my hand to just combine the flour, the baking powder, and the salt together, because you want to always ensure that your dry ingredients are evenly distributed. So I'm just going to continue to just combine the ingredients together. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add the water. Now guys, you don't want to add too much water because you don't want your dough to be too soft. So even though I have 1 cup of water, I'm not going to use all of the water. So guys, while we make the dough, remember to subscribe to my channel, CALLY's Kitchen. We are on our way to 2,000 subscribers. And I just want to tell you guys, thank you. Thank you for all the love. Thank you for all the support. I really appreciate it. I see all of your comments. And so far, I love it. Once again, guys, go ahead and follow me on Facebook, CALLY's Kitchen. The link will be in the description box for my Facebook page. So guys, at this stage, you realize I didn't add a lot of water, but the dough coming together. So now I'm just gonna dip my hand in the water and then just continue to knead my flour. And guys, please note that different persons cook different ways. So you might see some people had sugar or butter to their dumpling. I'm not going to add it. So guys, this is what it looks like after I finish kneading. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and cover my dough for 15 minutes before. So guys, this is what my dough looks like after 15 minutes. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna go ahead and take out small portions, and I'm just gonna roll it until it resembles a ball. Then I'm gonna put it on a dry plate, and I'm just gonna do it for all of my dough until it's finished. So as you can see, I'm just rolling until it resembles a ball. I'm just going to put it down on the clean, dry plate. And guys, this is quite simple. This is a really easy recipe. At first, you might not get it. It might not be perfect, but after trying, you probably just get it to be perfect the way or you want your dumpling to be. And as I said before, I love my dumpling fluffy and nice. So this is the last one. So I'm just gonna roll until it resembles a bar. I'm just gonna go ahead and place them back in the bowl that I made the dough in first for my dumpling. And you don't want to put them too close. So guys, what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna go ahead and cover this for another 10 minutes before frying. So guys, after 10 minutes now, it's time to go ahead and start frying my dumpling. As you can see, a small piece of the flour is in the frying pan because I want to show you what it looks like when my oil is hot. So what I did, I went ahead and I took up a piece of the dough and I made it into a ball, and I just used my finger to just sink it in a bit, and then I just place it in the hot oil. Now guys, this take up to 12 minutes to fry because you want to ensure that your dumpling is properly cooked before serving. And guys, also if you have a smaller frying pan, you could go ahead if you want your dumpling to hug together. But me, no, I'm not going to do that. I'm just gonna fry everything in this pot and show you what it looks like, the finished product look like. And guys, please note that I turned the flame down on the lowest heat because you don't want your dumpling to fry too fast and then when you open it, it's raw inside. So I turn it down, and you want to ensure that you check on your dumpling. You don't want to leave it and then it burn. So you want to ensure that you always check it. Guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and turn them over and show you what it looks like. Guys, you see that? Start to turn brown already. So I'm just gonna turn over all of them and just allow them to fry. See them coming along, guys? Wow, I love the color already. So I'm just gonna allow them to fry and show you what it looks like after 5 minutes. So guys, this is what it looks like after 5 minutes. You see guys, please note on top of the dumpling it start to burst. That's how you know that you're making your dumpling so good, when it start to burst and open up. So I'm just gonna spin them over on the other side. And I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Alright guys, this is a closer look at my dumpling. After roughly 9 minutes, this is what my fried dumpling looks like. So I'm just gonna allow them to fry for some more minutes, because I want to ensure that it's fried properly, and then I'm going to show you the finished product, what the finished products looks like. So guys, after roughly 12 minutes, it's time to go ahead and remove my dumplings from the hot oil. So what I did, I got a bowl, and the bowl that I got, I put some napkins in the bottom, and I'm just gonna place the dumpling on top of the napkins. The reason for this is that the excess oil, you want it to the napkin to absorb that excess oil. Once again, guys, remember to subscribe to CALLY J's Kitchen. Remember to check out all of my recipes. And remember to tell me what you think. And guys, this is the final product of my fluffy fried dumpling. I hope you enjoy this recipe and I hope you try this recipe. This recipe is really simple and easy, guys. I hope you go ahead and I hope you subscribe to my channel. I hope you follow me on Facebook. Once again, guys, thank you for all of your support. Thank you for everything, guys. I see all of you comment and I really appreciate it. Once again, guys, go ahead and check out this recipe. Go ahead and tell a friend to tell another friend to come over and subscribe to CALLY J's Kitchen. Thank you guys so much for watching and see you in the next video.